If you are swimming in the ocean, never go far from the beach just in case you have to run if you encounter this sea creature.
What is that creature, bro? It looks so slimy. Is that even real?
I'll tell you, but first, if you think this puppy is cute, hit like and subscribe. Take pity on this poor kitty. She was abandoned by her owner and even by her mom. Nobody likes her because she has one leg missing. Won't you send her sad and heart emojis? A host of angels will be praying for your kind soul. You really have to keep your distance. Stay clear of the beach even. There's more than one of those sea creatures lurking. The other two are even scarier than the first one.